first of all, I want to say thank you so much for all you guys support and from watching so much. But today, you guys, our video for today is I'm going to finish pressure washer my house. Today, I am going to do it today. Uh, I already show you guys what my house look like, especially the other side, the side to side of my house. It's really needs, it's very moldy. I'm going to show it to you guys right now. So as you guys see, of course you already seen it. It's right there. That really needs it. But right there also on the very top, of course everyone, I can't reach that, say I can't reach it all the way, so I'm gonna try to reach it all the way to where the window, bathroom windows right there. I'm gonna try to reach all the way in there. Okay, so yeah, and later the next video I'm gonna try to get that branch out, this pantry out. It's going to touch my house already, so I'm gonna try to get it later on for my next video. So but for now I'm going to finish my pressure washing for my house. But before that, everyone, I've been cooking. My grandkids has already been messing my yard already yesterday. They were here yesterday, so they were, of course. But everyone, before I start doing my pressure washer, of course I'm going to do my routine everyday job. Of course, what woman's job is every day? Of course, streeting inside the house and cooking. So yes, I'm going to go ahead and cook my dinner first, and before I start doing my pressure wash, because I don't want to get interrupted while I'm working. So I'm gonna go ahead and do my cooking now before I start doing it. So let's go. I'm going to show you guys what I'm going to cook for today. Yes. So everyone, welcome back. So like I said earlier, I'm going to cook my dinner first before I start my pressure washer. So over here I'm going to make a quarter chicken barbecue, okay? But before I barbecue it, I'm going to bake this into the oven for 350 degree for 30 to 40 minutes. Hello everyone. So while we are waiting for my barbecue to cook, I'm going to show you guys. I went to Laos and I bought me pressure washer cleaning soap. This is supposed to be for the mold, so I'm going to try this. And also I will go ahead and got some for mold. So if you guys want to use this later, if you have mold, and it says for outside concrete and for the fences, you can also use this. It kills mold. See? So I got this. Yup. So I'm going to go ahead and prepare all my stuff while I'm waiting for my barbecue to cook. Your grandma here is super busy. So there you go. And yeah. So everyone, since my husband didn't find the carrots and green beans, corn is yummy partner, so he thought that both yellow, we need to partner. Yellow corn, yellow macaroni. So that's the dinner for today, is chicken barbecue, corn, and macaroni. Yes. Yes. Decided to just have the chicken, corn, and macaroni, right, Grandma?
And soup.
And soup. Do you like soup?
Mm-hmm.
That my food taster right there. She's having lunch for now. So this dinner that I cooked is for dinner. So we will just go ahead and cover it. And if they're ready to eat, then they can just warm it up. So once I wrap this up, I'm going to start with my pressure washer, right, Grandma?
Mm-hmm.
So let's wrap this up and Lala can start. Hello everyone! Welcome to Buhay Lula. So today, everyone, our video today is to do some house pressure my house. This showed you guys how nasty looking is my house outside. That really need bad pressure wash. So I'm going to show it to you guys again. So and see, you know what I mean? Yes, everyone, especially around that area. Let me close it to you. That's how nasty looking, especially in the bottom part area. Yeah. And it's the same way in the other side. See? Like I said, I won't be able to go all the way up. I kind of scared going all the way up. So that's how far I can go, all the way to that my bathroom wall. But anyway, before I'll do that, there's a fan over here by my kitchen that I'm scared to wet it. Although I don't know why, but I'm gonna go ahead and tape it in a way with aluminum foil just in case. But I really want this thingy here out. But I don't know. Let's see what I can do. So anyway, before I start spraying I got everything ready except, once again, my bug spray. See, I don't know you guys can see it, but of course I have my pressure washing machine. I have my pressure wash machine here. That's ready. See? But you know what? It's not it doesn't have no heavy pressure in it. Let me see. Maybe this one. I forgot to push the button. So, yeah. So my machine is ready. I am just going to put on, like I said, earlier this week I showed it to you guys, the Irish Spring liquid. I used instead of the bar. This also works. So once again, I forgot my bug spray. So I'm going to just rub it all over my skin. Who cares, right? Nobody can see. So I'm just gonna, this is really good for you to just use it temporarily. This is just, you can just use this Irish Spring, everyone, if you are not around with someone or friends or going to a fancy place, okay? So if you're just in the house doing some outside work, you can use this, okay? But if you are going somewhere like fancy place or going to the park, use the bug spray, because later it's going to be looking powdery here. So yeah, I'm just suggesting. So if you're going to a fancy place like mountain, use the bug spray. But if just around the house, just use this one. Okay? And also I have my ladder here. Did I pronounce it right? Ladder. Anyway, I have that here. And I'm going to put some in my face, so I don't get no bug kiss from my face. Ta-da! Can you see? So anyway, so first I'm gonna cover that. I have I wonder if, hold on, I was gonna cover this. I was gonna cover the window with the aluminum foil, everyone, but the screen, as you guys see, the screen had mold. I was thinking if I can just go inside and remove this. Okay, let's go look. Let's go look inside if I can remove it. Let's go look. Watch me from inside. Watch me out here from inside. Hold on. everyone, I got the fan. So, yay. Now I'm gonna close this. So, I got the fan here. Get the fan out, okay? But of course, I'm in trouble from my husband later because I'm gonna ask him to put this back, the fan for me. You know what that fan was? Is so when to remove the smells in the house when you're cooking. When you're cooking, you can remove that. It's because my house, it's whoever built this house, it did a excuse my language, YouTube, excuse my language, but whoever built my house, it did some F job because there is nothing. I didn't put some fan that removes when you're cooking. They didn't put that. So yeah, they did a really bad job. They built it so bad. Whew, if I only known better before, I should have gotten a bigger and nicer house. But anyway, the reason why I end up just saying to my husband, let's just go ahead this house, because I just fall in love the backyard. The backyard, it's nice and flat, and the windows in the house is big, where I can see my kids and my grandkids now play outside without me being outside with them. So I can just watch them all the way from inside. So now let's go start. So I'm gonna start in this side. So let's start. I better not fall. I just need something to support. I have to wear goggles because when you spray all the way up, it gets. I'm almost done with this side, so it's the high life. So everyone, I'm done with this side here. So let me show it to you guys really quick. It's not perfect, but you know, you can definitely see the difference. See, you didn't see that mold. See? Please, you guys, make sure. I'm so chicken to go all the way up, but you know, you can't really see too much in there. I mean, you can still see, but you know, the important is in that area, this bottom here. So there you go, guys. Please give me thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Now we are ready to do this the front side. Yes, everyone, I am ready. So look how awful it is over there all the way top, but you know, I can't do it, so I'm just gonna focus on the bottom area. I might be able to do it with my 6-foot ladder. Let's see. So now I'm in the front. I don't know if you guys can see it, but yeah, I can't really say. It looks so nasty over there. It looks like it's I can't get it. I wish I can get it. Maybe next time I'll climb up. I Yes, it comes off, guys. It comes off. But I just have to make sure I better not fall. Let me see if I can reach it. Okay, so everyone, I'm done with my garage. And now I am going to my last side of my house. See, this is even same thing. It's worse than the other side. So as you guys see, yeah. See, I don't know if I can do that side here. See, it is so bad, this side. So I'm gonna try this one. And also everyone, there's the garage gather here. It has bunch of leaf. Okay, the leaf this side. I'm gonna do this later. I just saw that one and it's so nasty, so I am going to do that side here. So too much stuff to do, but I'm gonna do it one at a time because yeah. Well, we're gonna start. It's even worse. So yes, my last. This is my last side of the house. Hmm. Finally, guys, I'm finished. I'm finished with my water pressure. See, this is the last one I'm doing. See, I'm finished with my water pressure. Pressure wash in my house. And let me show it to you guys really quick before I end it and say bye to you guys. As you guys see, you seen the difference before I pressure wash. Much better looking, not 100%, but because I cannot reach all the way top, but the top, it's just kind of like it's no mold, it's just kind of like brown dust. But over here, this is the other side of my house. And okay, so the garage, I pressure wash. I finished doing pressure wash. Also the garage, as you guys see right there, much better looking. There's no mold. And the front, of course, I also did the this island side, and I did the pressure wash, also the concrete. And this is the front yard, the front of the house, and all the way over here. So yeah, I did all this all by myself without my husband. My husband don't like to do some outside work, so I have to do it myself. So look, I look so awful. There you guys, look at them. I still had my gobble. Ta-da! So there you guys, I hope you're proud of me with my doing my pressure wash. Please don't forget to subscribe and likes. If you are new in my video, please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you guys, and please give me thumbs up if I did a good job. Bye everyone. Bye. Love you guys. So you guys, all right everyone. While I'm still have energy, I thought I would go ahead and pressure wash also my driveway. So I'm doing. See, if you guys see, almost finished, but I got one more all the way over there, and it's really almost done. But did you hear the thunder? It's decided to rain and thundering, and I don't. Okay. One. See, it's all clean. It's all clean. So since it's thundering, so I got that much left to do. That's all. See how nasty the driveway is. See, in compare here. So that's all how much I got to do. So I'm gonna finish it. I'm gonna finish it as soon as the thunder and rain stop. See, I don't really want to get. Oh gosh. So you guys, nasty. So I'm gonna finish it as soon as it's finished thundering. I don't wanna get electrocuted in there. Forgot to tell you guys that my next video will be is cleaning the gutter. See, I don't know if you can see it, but I will. Can you guys see? Can you guys see?